Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Before starting the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Today we're going to make tteokbokki. It's a Korean rice cake recipe. You can either buy the rice cakes or the recipe for the rice cakes will be in the description box below and you can make them. So let's get started. The ingredients to make the tteokbokki is rice cakes, of course, some fish balls or fish cakes, and an onion and some chives. You can use spring onion too. Now take a pan, boil some water and add the fish rice cakes into it and cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes or until it's half cooked. Make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom, so stir it occasionally. Yeah, once the once your tteokbokki is half cooked, transfer it to a bowl full of cold water so that it doesn't stick to each other. Now, in order to make the Korean chili paste, take a bowl, add half a tablespoon of corn flour or rice flour, and mix it with a tablespoon of water and make sure there are no lumps, and add one and a half tablespoon of chili powder, one and a half tablespoon of brown sugar into it, and 1/4 teaspoon of sugar salt, and one and a half tablespoon of soya sauce. Combine everything well and make it into a paste. So we didn't have the Korean chili paste, so we made a substitute for that using a YouTube channel called Eliza'S Cuisine. So if you want that video, the link for it will be in the description box below. So now let's make the chili paste. We will mix it until there are no lumps or until it's smooth. Now let's move on to chopping the onions and the chives. We're slicing it thinly, the yellow onion. And make sure your fingers are safe. Now, okay, now let's chop the chives about like 1 centimeter apart, like half centimeter. I didn't really take any measurements though. Now to make the tteokbokki, take a pan and add some water to it, like half of the pot, and add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. It's optional. Then add the chili paste we made and stir it. The sugar is according to your taste. You can add it if you want your tteokbokki to be sweet. If not, you can eliminate it. Now combine the sugar and the chili paste and wait for the water to be kind of simmering. And now add half a 1 tablespoon of soya sauce to it. And 1 tablespoon of chili powder. The chili powder is optional too. If you want your tteokbokki to be spicy, you can add it, or maybe you can add half of it if you don't want it to be too spicy. Now combine everything well again and let the water simmer, come to a boil. And okay, so now the water has come to a boil. Then add your rice cakes to it. Stir it occasionally so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. And let's wait for the rice cakes to absorb the water and the, the chili powder. No, the spice. Once it has come to a simmer, add the fish balls to it because it has to cook too. Now the rice cakes have come to the water has come to a boil, so we add some of the fish balls. Actually, it doesn't. The rice cakes and the fish balls are white, so it doesn't really look that good. So you can add the fish cakes to it, or any other things you want. Anything is fine. Now let's wait for the mixture to thicken. After the mixture has thickened, add the sliced onion and the chopped chives and stir it once again. Now we'll wait for everything to be cooked until the onions are soft and everything just combines and comes together. So I think the mixture has thickened and our tteokbokki is ready. It looks yummy. Okay, so at this point, if you want to add boiled egg, you can add it too, but we didn't add it in here. Let's transfer it to a bowl and enjoy the yummy tteokbokki. You can garnish it with boiled egg and some more chives, but we're just gonna eat it. The rice cakes taste so yummy, like it's soft and delicious, and the mixture is spicy and sweet. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Bye.